Hey guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have here with me this beautiful Himalayan salt lamp. This is a Nevlers salt lamp that I think has been such a great addition to my home, because not only does it add to a nice cozy ambient, and I can use it for decorative purposes, but I also find that it's such a beautiful lamp. When I turn it on, it looks so pretty, so nice. And at the same time, it has what a normal Himalayan salt lamp benefit would give to my home, which I find for my allergies and for any kind of breathing issues that I have. I like the fact that this lamp definitely does help with that, purifying the air. So I would definitely recommend this beautiful salt lamp. It does have a nice wood base here too. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.